In this video, I'm going to show the reason you're not profitable is because you trade with emotions, not a system. You see a big candle, you FOMO in. You see a loss, you panic and close early. And when you finally win, you get greedy and overtrade. Profitable traders don't do that. They follow rules, not feelings. They don't care about one trade. They care about the next 100 trades. Another reason you're not profitable is because you have no risk management. You risk 50% of your account on one trade and call it confidence. But professionals risk only 1-2% because they understand survival is the first goal. And let's be honest, you probably think trading is fast money, but trading is slow, boring, and disciplined. That's why most people fail, and only a few win. If you want to be profitable, you need 3 things: a proven strategy, strong discipline, and patience to stick with it. Stop chasing signals. Stop gambling. Start treating trading like a business. Quick scalp using very simple strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how I executed the market using smart money concepts. Comment SMC if you want me to upload more real trades like this, and tell me what you want to learn next. First things first, you have to identify the trend. You never want to trade against the direction, because that's how beginners lose money. In this case, the market was in a downtrend, so I was only looking for short opportunities if it exists. This is how smart money trades. They go with the trend, not against it. Right now, price is shifting bullish. You can see buyers taking control, and the structure is starting to change. This is a strong sign that smart money might be accumulating positions for the next upward move. We have to wait for price to mitigate the demand zone first before looking for buy. If it doesn't mitigate the demand zone, please do not buy. Right now, price is pushing even higher. This shows strong bullish momentum, and it confirms that buyers are in control. When you see this type of move, it tells you that the market is respecting the trend and continuing in the bullish direction. As you can see, price goes up even higher. Our goal is looking for buy if opportunity exists. Here is where I executed the trade. Price failed to break structure to the downside and instead swept the liquidity below the swing low. This is the perfect entry for buying. I dropped down to lower time frame to looking for confirmation. It could be a order flow shift or strong liquidation. These entry models work so well in smart money concept. For targets, you can set a risk to reward between 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending on the market conditions and structure. Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more smart money trades. Comment SMC if you want me to show more live entries like this.